It's July, we are in Dolcetto Trevigne and we are taking away already some shoot with too much cluster, too much grape, because the vines they already have too many cluster, too many crop, too many production from what we want. As you can see, we already do some of the first green harvest, and also we take away all the shoots, the vegetation that is too much, so the cluster remaining they can breathe, they can take all the sun, and the disease doesn't hurt too much, doesn't make any problem. And this is how it looks like after.